Good afternoon, everybody. July 31st, 2022. The next update video. As you can clearly see, they don't look as good as they normally do. The reason why is, well, we just had another thunderstorm and we have had a downpour now for the last 4 days in a row. And it looks like it's going to be the 5th day in a row shortly. We already had some rain today. But what's happened is so much rain has happened in the last week that most of the flowers got knocked off. Well, I had to pause the video. Even more rain.
In that section? Treating?
Yeah. Yeah.
Other than that, everything else is pretty good. Okay, but then the reason.
Alright, I apologize about that, but it just downpoured again. You can hear some thunder off into the distance, and now you see exactly what I'm talking about. So about 5 minutes ago it stopped raining, and what you'll see here is you see a lot of flower buds that are going to come out, but you see how you have this rain on these leaves? What they do is they kind of prematurely kill the leaf, and that's what it kind of looks like when a leaf is still really pink but collapses, and you can still see the inside, the flower, but it's different from one that died like this. And that's what it's been like when these flowers get a bunch of water damage. So other than the rain, there's no issue. Lots of growth, as you can see, getting closer to the ground already. But yeah, lots of rain here. Here's the Jazzberry, which I think looked the best out of all of them. A lot of green, because a lot of flowers are missing. Here's the Fuchsia. And this will just be a quicker video because there's not too much to see. And I think it could start downpouring again at any moment. There's just a slight break in the clouds. And again, I'm still fertilizing with just bloom booster. But it's very hard to get blooms when you have 4 or 5 now. This is the 5th straight day of torrential downpours. So that'll be it for this video. It'll be a pretty quick one. The next video will be starting the month of August, which is pretty much going to be the last month of real intense summer heat. So it'll be exciting to see how they pull through. Believe it or not, they've already grown so fast since the last trim, not even a month ago, that I might have to trim them again, which one of the commenters in one of the previous couple of videos said, and I believe it now. I believe in the next month I'm gonna have to trim these again, probably by September. We'll see. In the meantime, thanks for tuning in. I know it's they don't look as great as they normally do, but what's good about these video documentaries is it doesn't always look like a magazine cover. And there's probably more, kind of a mix of bad weeks and good weeks, which depends on the weather. So it's still good to see how they have gone through the whole growing year so far. Remember, the first video was way back, the first week of May. Now here we are, the last day of July. Anyway, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, and hope these flowers look a little better for the next one. All right, see you then.